English-Tagalog Conversation. Kamusta ang araw mo sa opisina? How was your day at the office? Gaya naman ng dati. It was the same as usual. May kakaiba sa'yo ngayon. Ayos ka lang ba? You seem different today. Is everything alright? Oo, mahal. Ayos lang naman. Naging abala lang kasi ako sa opisina. Yes, love. Everything is fine. I just had a busy day at the office. Okay. Ikaw, may magandang nangyari ba buong maghapon? How about you? Did you do anything interesting today? Natuto ako ng bagong recipe ngayon, galing sa internet. Bala ko ngang magluto nun bukas sa hapunan. Oh, I learned a new recipe on the internet today. I was thinking of trying it for dinner tomorrow. Mukhang maganda yan. Anong recipe naman? Interesting. What is that recipe? Recipe ng inihaw na manok. Alam ko paborito mo yon, kaya naisipan ko na subukan sa susunod. It's a variation of grilled chicken. I know that is your favorite, so I thought I would try something new with it. Masarap nga yan. Gusto ko nang subukan. That is really great. Can't wait to try it out. Bakit parang pakiramdam ko wala ka ng gana sa akin nitong mga nakaraan? Why do I feel like you don't spend enough time with me these days? Sabi ko nga sa'yo 'di ba, abala ako. Pagdating ko dito sa bahay, masyado na akong pagod. I already told you I was busy. By the time I get home, I am totally exhausted. Wala ka ng oras sa akin. Lagi na lang trabaho ang iniisip mo. You never spend any time with me. All you think about is work. Hindi yan totoo. Alam mo naman na may pamilya akong binubuhay, di ba? No, that is not true. You know that I have to feed a family, right? Alam ko naman yun eh. Kaya lang, parang nawawala na tayo ng oras sa isa't isa dahil sa trabaho mo. I understand, but I feel your work is getting in the way of us having quality time together. Pasensya na, di ko namalayan na gano'n na pala yun sa'yo. Ganito na lang, kumain tayo sa labas. Sa tingin mo? I'm sorry, I did not realize that it was getting in our way. To make it up, how about we go for a dinner date? How does that sound? Sige, para magkaroon naman tayo ng oras sa isa't isa. All right, we get to spend some time together. Ako rin, pasensya na kung wala akong oras itong nakaraan. Di naman sa ayaw ko pero trabaho lang kasi. Me too, I am sorry. I could not spend more time with you before. It is not that I don't want to, but because of my work. I understand. Naiintindihan ko. Salamat, mahal. Magpapareserve na ako para mamaya. Thank you, love. I'll make a reservation for tonight. Magaling. Di ako makapaniwala na 4 na taon na tayong kasal. Wonderful. I just can't believe that it's been 4 years since we got married. Ako nga rin. Parang kahapon lang tayo nagkakilala. Me too. It seems like we just met yesterday. Nakakapanibago ang bilis ng panahon. It's strange how time flies. Oo nga, di ko maisip kung saan na napunta mga panahon na yon. Indeed, I can't help but wonder where all those years went. Hanggat kasama kita, hindi ako mababagabag. As long as I'm with you, I will never be uneasy. Ikaw ang pinakamagandang nangyari sa buhay ko. You are the best thing that ever happened to me. Mahal na mahal kita. Mahal din kita.